In this episode, we'll be doing the finishing touches. I'm going to go ahead and put the upper cabinet on the base cabinet, the hardware, and the crown molding. Let's get started. So now that I've got the upper and lower cabinet fully assembled, I can join the two together. We're going to be using the domino connectors. The main reason for that is just to make it easier to transport. If you want to learn more about the domino connectors, go check out some of the videos we have on those. So with all the domino connectors installed, I'm going to go ahead and put the upper cabinet on the base cabinet to finish installing the back panel. Now that I got the upper cabinet on the base cabinet, I can go ahead and attach the back panel for the upper cabinet with a couple screws, and then also go ahead and install the lower back panel. So with everything secured, one of the last steps is to apply the crown molding, which I'll do over here on the Capex. So I've pulled all the measurements off of my upper cabinet. Now I can come over to the Capex and start cutting my crown. And because I've got my Capex installed into my countertop, I've left a lip that I can clamp things to, and this allows me to clamp down a sacrificial board for my crown stop. So now I can go ahead and make the 3 cuts I need for my upper cabinet. With all 3 pieces of crown molding cut, I can go ahead and get it installed. Before I do that, I went ahead and I notched the face frame for that 1/4 inch reveal right to where the bottom of the crown is going to sit. So I've got my crown molding on, and I've already gone ahead and installed my hardware. This is just so that I've got the hardware and the holes for the hardware already in there before I start to sand and paint. That way when I'm done with the complete project, all I have to do is reinstall the screws. I'm going to go through and lightly sand everything, touch up any spots that might need any wood filler from the nail holes, just give it a good once over. But from there, I can apply paint. You don't have to paint it. You could get a different type of wood. You can even get a stain that will look good with this birch plywood and the poplar. I'm just choosing to paint it, but there's a lot of different things you could do. Thanks for watching this build series. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some sanding and painting to do.